Hello everyone and welcome. This is Aya and today's video is really special because it's a part of Paper Crafter United Against Racism. So there is a hub going on Instagram. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. I hope you check it out. The goal of this hub is to continue to raise awareness about anti-racism, Black Lives Matter, Stop All Hate, anti-Semitism, Free Palestine, Indigenous support and unity, and to keep encourage everyone to start a necessary conversation. We are all one humanity and should find a way to show up for equity and equality in a way that makes sense for you. Silence and action are detrimental to justice. Injustice anywhere is injustice everywhere. Good morning everyone, hello and welcome to another Saturday morning mix. Today I would like to share with you two cards. I created them for the purpose that I mentioned earlier of this video. So let's get started and show you the products that I use to create these cards. First I use VersaFine black ink, beautiful crisp ink. Then Gina K amalgam ink in a brown shade. I use Nova Crystal drop in a white color and liquid pearls in brown color. Novo glimmer paste, gold and iridescent. I'm sorry I'm going fast because the battery, I can see that it can turn off anytime. I use this rectangle die by My Creative Time. I'm going to write the names in the description box. Then this MFT die, and this one called a Slanted Stripes cover die. Then this is stencil by Simon Says Stamps, hearts. Then this, the start of the show, this is stamp set by SCT, and this one called Change the World. So I have a stamp and the die set. And this banner die by My Creative Time. I'm going to write the name again in the description box. So first let me show you the cards. So this is the first card. I used colored cardstock from Cut Cardstock. Maybe I'm going to add an a smaller clip where I did unboxing for these beautiful papers. So cute. Yeah, and I used Copic markers, different shades of brown and pink, to color, the flower and the earth. And the second card, for Palestinian people, this one. So the red, green, black and white is the color of their flag, or Palestine flag. I love it. So yeah, these are, two quick, easy cards, really. So I really love all these cards. I hope you like them too. Please give this video a thumbs up. Check also my Instagram account to see all the amazing crafters who participated in Black Lives Matter. You really will be so inspired by all the beautiful work. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.